Now we will create a bootable USB using media creation tool from Microsoft. Go to Google, search and type media creation tool. Click on the first result. On this page, click on Download Tool. Now open the tool by double-clicking. Accept the license terms. Select Create Installation Media Installation. And hit Next. First, insert your USB flash stick. And before you do that, you should ensure you back up all the files that you have on your USB, because the tool will automatically delete all files on USB during the creation process. Select your language, Windows Edition 10, and architecture. I select 64-bit. You can select both. If you have 32-bit, I have 64. If you are not sure, select both and hit Next. I will leave it as a USB flash drive, and I hit Next. Then I select the USB flash drive that I want to use. I will use A. You can go back to your computer folder to be sure of the volume letter of the USB drive. For me, the USB drive letter is A. Hit Next. You must be sure of the volume letter of the USB drive is correct, because everything will be deleted automatically during the media creation process. This stage will take a while depending on the speed of your internet connection. I will pause and speed up the process. Now we've successfully completed a media creation process for Windows 10 installation. Click Finish. Now our USB is ready to use it in our computer in which we want to log in. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset a user password in Windows 10 without using any third party. I will use a feature called sticky key. This I will press Shift key 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press yes. You can see this feature run at our login screen. Now I will reboot my PC from a USB. Change the boot priority. I am now booting from my USB of or my CD. Now I click next. Instead of install now, click repair your computer and click troubleshoot. Command prompt colon and press enter. Type dir. Now we can see that Windows is installed on C drive. And again CD system 32. Let's copy set h c set high contrast. Now I will copy command prompt to set HC. Yes. Now what we have done is next time when we press Shift key 5 times, instead of opening the actual set high contrast, it will open a command prompt. Let's close this. Continue to Windows, or we can turn off. Now we are in the login screen. I will press Shift key 5 times. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's, so we have our command prompt. I type the command net user mark with password 113 pn 897 Z, and I press enter. The command is completed successfully. Now let's see how we can create a new user, Morgan, for example. Net user Morgan with password 13 pn 897 Z. Slash at. Now let's make this new user Morgan as an administrator. Net local group administrators Morgan slash at accept. And now we can log in with our password.